Sanibonani, namhlanje is the 9th of August, okuwusuku labantu besifazane. Mina nguMangwabe ngwakamseleku. Ngifuna ukuthi kwimbokodo out there, ngicela ukuthi nizinakekele, put yourself first. Uwazi ukuthi yonke into ibalekile, umuntu wesifazane ubalekile emhlabeni, since sikwazi ukwenza izinto abantu besilisa abahluleka ukuzenza. Niyazi ke nalo ukuthi what do I mean. Kodwa into engifisa ukisho kakhulukazi ukuthi a woman can become two things. It's who and what she wants to become, as long as she puts her mind in it. Ngiyamthanda kakhulu. Bye.
Sanibonani and welcome to Khabula the Tea, the only channel where we sip tea and do not judge, but ngeke. I made a video previously about Mangwabe and Musa Mseleku being appropriate on social media, showing us that they are still happily together. And I did make a comment in that video that I feel like this was all made for television. It was made for us viewers to be interested in all the drama that this family has to give. And I think either they spoke about it as the family or the cast, or let me just say as the cast of Uthando Nesthembu, that uMangwabe is just going to emphasize leyo ukuthi she's leaving, knowing exactly she's not gonna leave. Or she did say she was gonna leave because she was angry at that time because she didn't want number 5, but kept dragging it even no mese was ukuthi she's not gonna leave. Clearly she's not. She's still very much Mseleku ngobe nguMangwabe wakamseleku. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Was it all for just show? Was it all for us to talk about Uthando Nesthembu? What do you think about it? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Ngizokubona kwenye video elandelayo.